Okay, Ro. Whose birthday is it, Ronan?
Grandma Jack. Grandma Jackie's birthday.
What do you say?
Cheese.
Happy birthday, Grandma Jackie.
Happy birthday, Grandma Jackie.
Thanks. See, we're having our own party right here for you. Okay, Ro. Whoops. Ro, can you sing happy birthday to Grandma?
I should take out.
Well, here, Mommy blow.
I want my tray fun. I want my cake purple.
Ro, are you going to sing happy birthday to Grandma Jackie?
Yeah.
I know you're all excited because I pulled out all the little decorations, but can you talk to Grandma?
That's the order. That's the order.
Can you show Grandma her balloons? Can you show Grandma? Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh.
My balloon hot guy.
Mm-hmm.
Turn off alarm.
Good job. Can you sing Grandma Jackie her happy birthday song? Here's your microphone. Are you going to sing happy birthday to Grandma Jackie?
No.
No?
Grandma Jackie. You might come to Grandma Jackie later.
Yeah, but isn't Grandma coming down to see Roro?
I do it.
Is Grandma and Beep Beep coming here?
I do it. Baby girl, come down to have a party with me.
Yeah.
Baby, come down have a party with me, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy will Grandma Jackie come down have a party with me, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Can you say happy birthday to Grandma Jackie and then bye-bye because the camera's going to end?
No way.
Can you say happy birthday, Grandma? Ro?
No way.
Well, because our battery's going to die.
No way.
So say bye-bye, Grandma. I love you.
I want to call Grandma Jackie, Mommy.
Okay, well, we're going to call her on the phone now. Do you want to call her on the phone?
I want to call you on the phone, Grandma Jackie.
Okay, but say bye-bye right now. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera so Grandma can see you. Okay, we're going to call you now, Jackie, but happy birthday, okay? Bye.